Good morning, hair lovers of Jamaica, and thank you so much for tuning in to our webinar. Today we have so much to show you, and what you see dropping down behind me is our all-new Ghana Twist family hair. Now all of our hairs are super unique and very, very special, but today we're going to focus in on our 3X Ghana Springy Water hair. Now what makes this hair so special and so unique is the style that it can actually create. Now one style that we've been seeing sweep the nation for the last year is the passion twist. With our 3X Ghana Springy Water hair, you can achieve these passion twists super quick, super easy, and it's going to be super duper light. Now each pack comes with 42 strands in it to give you a very full and voluminous look. You want as much hair as you can possibly get, so it's nice, full, bouncy, and luxurious. Now with our Springy Water hair, it's not just passion twists you can achieve. You can achieve a variety of different hairstyles. You can do the passion locks. You can do the passion twist. You can do the distressed butterfly locks. You can do the distressed bonita locks, even boho locks, and even cinnamon twist as well. So with our 3X Ghana Springy Water hair, the choices are limitless. You can make whatever hairstyle you want to make with it having a very trendy and new boho look. Here at Beauty Elements, we're always striving to make the best hair for our customers. We want it to be trendy, we want it to be now, and we want it to represent you to the best of our abilities. Thank you so much for tuning into our webinar, and we'll see you again.